Stay tuned to see how I achieve this fun style. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my Valentine series. This is video 5 in my series. Hope that you have been enjoying it. In today's video, I am going to be creating this cute and fun style using these purple clip-ins. Now these clip-ins were gifted to me by Close Culture. These are the Afro Kinky clip-ins in the color 1B Purple. I do have another video using these clip-ins in a different color, and I'll link that up above. So for this style, I'm going for a side ponytail. So I'm just going in and applying the clip-ins around my ponytail, and then I'll be filling it in a little bit later. So I know that this color is very bold and courageous, so let me know in the comment section if you would rock this hair. I absolutely love playing in temporary hair colors, so once I received these colored clip-ins, I was so excited to try them out. Clip-ins are so fun and easy to use. All you do is open up the clip, secure it on your hair, close the clip, and that's it. So now that I have the ponytail done, I'm just going to go in and fill in some pieces where they are needed. And here are the final results. I hope you have enjoyed this quick, fun, and easy hair tutorial. Let me know in the comment sections what you think about this style. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you tune in to the rest of my Valentine series. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video.